So that would just never have been possible without the legal acumen and the relationships and frankly, the tenacity that he's brought to the table as far as seeking out opportunity.
Yeah. Yeah. And I think, and I don't know if you want to get into it too much here, but you guys just presented, or you're about to present to your investor community, an amazing new project that you guys, through a lot of work and effort from Kent and the people around him, have been able to orchestrate, that really puts you in a position to take advantage of some unique opportunities that could be coming up in the near future in the markets that you're working in. Can you share even a high level, or is it too early to share what's going on there?
Yeah, I'm obviously limited as to what I can share, but kind of just building up on what you and I just spoke about.
Yeah.
We are currently focused on affordable housing strategies where we are partnering with local housing authorities in Texas to restrict our units to cater towards households that make less than the area median income. So we're furthering the housing authorities and the country's mission of providing affordable housing, because we do frankly have a major crisis there.
Mhm.
So it's a really great strategy, win-win for all parties, and not to mention our investors, like you said, who will be able to participate in these really exciting deals.
Yeah, and from an investor standpoint, we saw, or we will see, like some very significant increases in net operating income due to those efforts on a handful of deals and potential future deals as well. So, to the investor community, it's a not that we're advertising any specific opportunities at this point, but to see net operating income increase at the level that some of these deals are is just, it's a game changer in my experience. So,
Especially at
yeah.
a time right now where the future is uncertain and rent growth may be slowing, and the opportunity to implement value-add plans may become more difficult. So
Yep.
when you look at it through that lens and view it as a defensive strategy while still being able to increase income, it's really, really attractive.
Well, and I think that's kind of the perfect transition over to what I wanted to talk about next, is what's going on in this crazy multifamily apartment investing space. We've seen interest rates go up. Everybody's got an opinion about what's going to happen, next month with the new interest rate hikes potentially. Where do you see the market today, and what kind of trends are you expecting to see continue?
Yeah, today we find ourselves in a pretty tricky market where transaction volumes way down because, as you said, interest rates have gone up a lot, and that is affecting buyers' underwriting. Meanwhile, sellers are still kind of clinging to what they thought their property was worth 6, 12 months ago. And that disconnect is really preventing buyers and sellers from transacting. So we are finding it more of a difficult market to find opportunities in. And, we're not unique in that regard. But I think over the next year, this gap will close itself through a combination of lowering interest rates as well as lowered seller expectations. So that gap will close and there will be some opportunity.